Hey everyone, this is a shout out for Dave Larson. He is starting to put up videos. Please check him out. He's a great supporter.
What do you want? Don't you dare steal my food again. What? Hey, come here, you. Hey, come here. You know, thanks to you, I've got to change my sheets now like every day and blankets. Yeah. I know, you don't care.
But Daddy, I'm just a puppy.
Okay, chew up my pants.
Okay, I will.
Subscribe to Dave today. His link will be in the description below and it will be at the end of the video. Please make sure that you add him. Don't forget to click that like button for me, folks. And please share out my video to help me grow. Sorry, my voice is cracking. Anyway, please help me so I can help you more. I am working on a lot of shout out videos. I'm thinking about changing my name, guys. I know, but people aren't liking that it's Catolicious. They say it's too long. So I'm thinking about what my friend has said to make it Mary's Cato and more. What do you think, guys? Would that be better? Anyway, please share me out. Please subscribe. And for those that have been subscribed, thank you so much. And those that are new, welcome aboard. We have a great community here. Love you all. Bye.
With you, I can be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay.